I just made these ads in under 5 minutes without using a single prompt. All I did was upload a product image and the AI handled everything else. In this video, I'm going to test this across 5 different products and show you exactly how you can do the same for any product you want. So to create all of these, I'm using Higgsfield Marketing Studio, where you can literally just drop your product image and get the whole ad done in minutes. I'll drop the link in the description and pin comment down below if you want to follow along. So first, let's head over to Higgsfield and log in. Once we're inside, click on Marketing Studio right at the top of the navigation. Right here, you have 2 main slots: your avatar slot, which is the face and the main avatar that appears in your ad, and your product slot next to it, which is either your product URL or an image of your product. Then you have your format selector here, where you can choose from 9 completely different ad formats. And finally, your settings: aspect ratio, resolution, and length. That's the entire workflow. So let's build our first ad. I'm going to start with a skincare product. First, I need an avatar. You can pick from a bunch of pre-made ones already in the platform, but I'm going to create my own. Click Create Avatar, upload a photo of yourself, give it a name, and hit Create. Now for the product, this can be a direct URL from your own website's product page, a link from any product you find online, or you can simply upload a product image directly by clicking Create manually. I already have a skincare product image ready, so I'm just going to upload it right here, give it a name, and for description, it actually automatically read the image and wrote the description for me. Now, since the product has no branding at all, I need to adjust the description a little bit to specify that it's a moisturizing cream. I'll keep it minimal and click Create Product, then select it right here. All right, avatar and product are set. Now let's pick our settings: 16:9 aspect ratio, 1080p quality, 8 seconds for length, and finally the ad format. There's a variety of options here, as you can see. The ones at the top are more UGC style, but what really caught my attention are these presets down below. They look like the kind of ads you would see on TV or before a movie in the cinema. I definitely want to try out these ones first. So I'm going to go with the wild card and click Generate. Okay, that is actually insane. The video came out really high quality, and honestly, I love this starting frame. This already looks like something you would see running as a proper TV commercial, to be honest. And I genuinely cannot tell that that's AI. This took about 5 minutes from start to finish. Now, let's say I don't like the first generated version. I can just click Generate again, and in under 5 minutes, we have a brand new version. And if you were to hire an agency to do something like that, you're looking at thousands of dollars and weeks of waiting. Not to mention that you would have to physically show up and film it as well. By the way, if you want to try this out yourself, I left a link for Higgsfield Marketing Studio in the description down below. All right, product number 2. This time I'm gonna test out a fitness niche with a yoga mat product. And instead of using my own avatar, I'm going to use one of the pre-made avatars that Higgsfield provides. As you can see, there are quite a few to choose from, different genders, ages, and styles. You can also generate a completely custom avatar through a prompt. Just click Create Avatar and describe exactly what you want. I'm going to go with this one right here. Now I'll just upload my product image, add a short product description, and save the product. I'm going to start with horizontal format first, so let's go with 16:9. Keep the quality at 1080p and set the length to 8 seconds. For the ad format, this time I'm going with Hypermotion, which is built for those fast cuts and high energy content, which makes total sense for a fitness product. So let's hit Generate and see what comes out. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, that came out way better than I expected. Like, look at these shots. It genuinely looks like a high-end fitness ad. And I literally just uploaded a product image and selected the avatar. Now, let's turn this into a UGC style vertical ad. I'm going to keep the same avatar, change the ratio to 9:16, and select the UGC format right here.
Just got this non-slip mat, super grippy, lightweight, and durable. Perfect for yoga, Pilates, home workouts.
And again, the UGC video came out really great as well. Now, I do want to mention that not every generation will come out perfect. Sometimes there will be certain errors, inconsistencies, or just mistakes. If that happens, just stop on the video, hit recreate, and let the AI generate a new version. And if you noticed, I still haven't used a single prompt for any of this. But I do want to point out that you can also add more details about your video in this box right here, which gives you even more control over your output if you want to. All right, for the third product, I'm going with a toothbrush. Now, one thing I really love about Higgsfield Marketing Studio is that down here, you also have pre-made ad templates. So if you see a template that you like, you can use it as a base and recreate it for your own product. In my case, since I'm working with a toothbrush, I'm going to select this template right here. It's called UGC Virtual Try-On. I'll just click recreate. Since I'm already using a toothbrush and this template fits perfectly, I don't need to change the product image. But if you want to recreate the same style for a completely different product, maybe even a different toothbrush, you just upload your own product image right here. The only thing I'm going to change is the AI character. So I'll pick one from the list, select my aspect ratio, quality and length, and hit generate.
Okay, wait, this feels so nice. Look at that spin.
Now, let's try out the same exact product, but switch the ad format to a TV spot and flip it to a horizontal 16:9 format. Let's hit generate and see what comes out. Wow, this genuinely looks like an ad you would see on TV. And you can switch from UGC format to this completely different format in just a couple of clicks. Full transparency, it took me about 3 generations to get the UGC toothbrush video right. Some came out with small issues like the toothbrush not being turned on while she was brushing. And just like I mentioned before, if that happens to you, don't get discouraged, just regenerate. And it usually fixes itself on the second or third generation. All right, for product number 4, I'm going with an ergonomic chair, similar to something I'm sitting on right now. I'm going to use my own avatar again for this. I'll upload a product image right here. And as you can see, the product name and description were already generated automatically just from the image alone. So I'll just hit create product, go with 16:9 for the horizontal format, keep the quality at 1080p and set the length to 8 seconds. For the ad format, I'm going to go with the TV spot, that cinematic high production quality format, because I'm really curious to see how well it handles the furniture product. Let's hit generate and see what comes out. Okay, so I wasn't expecting it to handle the furniture product this well. A chair is a much harder product to recreate just from a picture alone, but this did a really good job. Now let's flip this into a unboxing style vertical ad for the same product. I'll switch the ratio to 9:16, select unboxing style and hit generate.
Okay, it's here. Mesh chair time. Oh, wow. Let's sit.
And just like that, we have 2 completely different styles for the same product done in minutes. And one more thing worth mentioning, if you're making a video with a talking avatar, you can also change the voice right here. So you have full control over how your character sounds as well. All right, at this point, we tried most of the ad formats available on Higgsfield Marketing Studio, but we haven't tried the product review format yet. So let's give it a go. And for this one, I'm going to use a water tumbler. I can see there's actually a pre-made template for this product right here. So I'm going to click recreate, but I'm going to switch the format from UGC to product review instead. Keep the product and avatar the same, adjust the aspect ratio and quality, and hit generate.
I've been using this tumbler every day lately, and I didn't expect to like it this much. My drinks stay cold literally all day, which is kind of crazy. It doesn't leak, it fits in my car, and the handle is actually super comfortable. I just end up taking it with me everywhere now.
And as you can see, even though we switched the format, it recalibrated perfectly and produced a really strong product review style video with multiple different scenes, keeping the whole video engaging from start to finish. Now, let's turn this into a horizontal wild card format. I'll hit generate, wait a couple of minutes and see what comes out. And just like that, we created completely unique ads for 5 completely different products across multiple formats and styles without writing a single prompt. If you're running an e-commerce store, whether that's Shopify, Amazon, TikTok Shop, or anything else, this is probably the most useful tool you can have right now. Instead of hiring UGC creator for $200 to $500 per video or waiting weeks for agency to deliver something, you can generate multiple ad variations for any product in minutes. And you can test way more angles way faster for a fraction of the cost. And if you're running a marketing agency, think about what this does for your output. A proper agency produced video ad can cost anywhere from $2,000 to $10,000. So if you want to try this yourself, I'll leave a link for Higgsfield Marketing Studio in the description and pin comment down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.